How to archive emails in Outlook? There is a multiple ways that you can archive your emails. You can archive individually emails. You can archive whole folder. You can set auto archive also. So I'll show you how I can do this. So let me open Outlook here. If you want to archive single email ID emails, then just select the email which you want to archive. Just right click on it and just click on archive, so it will be moved to the archive folder. Find out the archive folder. Here you can find this mail. Okay, so this for individual mail. If you want to archive a whole folder, just select the folder, right click on it, go to the properties, here the auto archive, and set the auto archive here. Archive this folder in this setting, and you can clean up item for older than 3 months, or you can set as per requirement. Okay, and you can move to the old items as a by default archive folder, or move to the selected pst file, or you can create a new file here. Just type here file name, and you can permanently delete it, and just click on ok and apply. Okay, I don't want to. And you can set the auto archive. Go to the options, go to the advanced. Under the advanced you can see the auto archive option. Select the auto archive. So here you can set the auto archive for days. You can during the auto archive delete the expert item, or archive delete the old items, or show archive folder, or we can okay archive delete. Okay, so here you can set the, you can delete the permanent items, delete the expert item email folder only, and you can set the archive this item, clean out item folder. Then okay, this is for show. Okay, you can set the move the item to the particular pst file. You can select the pst file, or you can create the pst file from here, and you can set the permanently delete and click on ok. Okay, so that is how you can archive the emails in Outlook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.